National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Walker County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dutton to Yellow Creek Falls to near Sulphur Springs, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Cedartown, Somerville, Rockmart, Tryon, Aragon, Cave Spring, Cheyenne, Lyerly, Menlo, Center Post, Gibson, Sedligna, Etham Hill, Coosa, Cloudland, James H. Floyd State Park, Holland, Fish Creek, and Etna. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.